Are you tired of trying every diet and exercise routine under the sun, only to see minimal results? Our weight loss program is specifically designed for people like you. Well, there's a tropical loophole that could be the key to finally shedding that stubborn belly fat, and the solution was right under our noses this whole time. You aren't alone if you feel you tried everything and nothing seems to work, but don't give up hope just yet, because we discovered a scientific breakthrough that targets the root cause of the issue. With our personalized approach, we'll help you boost your metabolism and shed those stubborn pounds for good. This video shares a natural loophole that has helped millions of people shed unwanted belly fat and achieve a healthier, happier life in a clinical trial. Participants, like Monica Barrett, who lost 60 pounds of fat, not only relieving her back and hip pain but also skyrocketing her confidence. That's a significant amount of weight loss in a short amount of time. We use a blend of natural ingredients that have been shown to boost metabolism, curb cravings, and promote fat burning. The secret was discovered by Dr. Vincent Lam, who found flaws while working in the weight loss industry and realized these $78 billion companies don't care about the well-being of their customers, since you guys are the source of their income. Their goal is to get you coming back after realizing you made no progress in your fitness journey after using their product. With this tonic, your body will activate this key component in your body that the majority of skinny people have, and everyone can possess this ability. You just need a little assistance in the production of fat-burning cells that are non-existent in people with slow metabolism. These cells are essential for weight loss, and this tropical tonic will bless you with it. Click the button above to start if you see a slimmer and happier you in the future.